These are the stock Cub Cadet blades I took off. The ones I put on that I bought from Amazon are a lot thicker than this. These are basically tin, but I did get 2.5 years out of them on 3 different properties, but yeah, they're tore up. Here's a 3-year-old Cub Cadet. The other day I was cutting at another property. I noticed some strange vibration. The blades are kind of decayed. And so I just got a replacement set off Amazon. They're a little, not as wide, so probably won't last long, but they weren't the most expensive item in the book either. While I'm under here, just checking the hubs, making sure they're not breaking the spindles. It's kind of nice being able to put it on the car lift to get it up there. I've just got a board across the back, and the front beams actually fit under the chassis here. But it's a lot easier than the ATV jack because I don't need to get down on my back to get under it. See, that one's kind of twisted up.